Hey everyone, this video is going to cover the Roam Duo Roamer head, how to install the iPad, put your cables, a little review, tips and stuff like that. Alright, so let's get started. So once you get your unit out, it'll look something like this: battery pack, cables, your on and off button for your cool light, your warm light. Once you turn those off, it also does the colored light, so you have three different options. This is where you're going to put your 970 battery. It is sold separately, so make sure you guys buy that extra piece in case you want to become this part to be mobile and you're able to walk around. You can also connect a battery pack to this if you want to go even longer. And again, that battery pack is sold separately. I'll keep a link in the video so you guys can click on the one that I buy. So yeah, two different type of batteries that you can run with if you decide to. Your on and off button access right here at the top. Now what we're going to do is we're going to remove these and we're going to put your iPad on the inside. So 1, 2, I've already unloosened these. 3, 4. This will lift off. And you'll see just on the inside, very basic. This is attached to your battery pack, so just leave that there. But other than that, you don't really need to do anything here for the moment. But for your iPad, so right now I have, this is the 13. So I want to make sure that my charging port is in this area, like right here. So what I'm going to do is I could just slide this in. And then now that that's in, then you're going to connect your charger. And so my charger, what I normally do is something like this. So I'll loosen this for a little bit. Let me see. Try not to break it, but if I do, it's okay. But I like to give myself a little bit of slack so that I could feed it down to the bottom of the booth. I think that should be enough. Let me see. I'll do one more. Hold on. So I'll do it twice. You could also just use a zip tie. You could also do those Velcro wraps are cool too, in case you don't want to rely on this method. Okay. So this will go in here into the charger, and then this will live in here. We're gonna put the face plate back on, and you're gonna see I'm just gonna feed this through here. I want to leave all that extra slack on the inside, so I'm just gonna push that in. And then I'm gonna align my tablet with the bottom screws. There it is. I'm gonna grab my 4 screws, put this in. So it's super fast to put it in and take it out, which is cool. And then what you're going to do next, after you tighten these, over here on the side is where you're going to charge. You're going to charge it. So I'm just push that in, and then you can just like tuck this cable under, and you're set. So your unit is going to be charging while it's in here. It also gives you LEDs. And then be sure when you mount it, you tighten these onto, or just make sure that there's nice and smooth on the inside. But yeah, overall very lightweight. Love it. It's super comfortable. I could probably get like a photography belt and like hang it over my neck if I wanted to, so that way I can, take a break every now and then. Access to my tablet camera, all of that. So I love it. So far it's so good. Any reviews, suggestions on design, let us know. We're always ready to improve it. And then like I said, this is just a film. Make sure you remove the film before you start using it. We just use that so that way at least you get a nice clean open finish when you get your new booth. If you haven't done so already, please like, subscribe to our channel. That'll give us some more juice to just create these videos for you, give you all of our feedbacks, tips, and how we actually use these in our rental business. Thanks, guys, and we'll see you in the next video.